Everyone, this is Lee Victor, an actor from Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Nakasama ko na si Charlie sa Royal Blood and Widow's War. I play the role of Jeff and she plays the role of Sophia. Pero bago ko pa siya nakasama sa mga show, yung first shows namin, of course, nakasama ko rin siya sa mga workshop namin, sa acting, communication, singing, dancing, lahat. And I would say na sa mga first times po namin ni Charlie, lagi po kami yung magkasama sa lahat. So, we went through all the struggles and pain together. And I just want to say, message ko sa'yo, Charlie, we are so proud of you. Ako, supporters mo, and especially your mom. And the whole Sparkle family are so proud of what you done dito sa bahay ni Kuya and what you've become. We're just so happy. And kahit di ka tumagal dito sa bahay ni Kuya, we're happy to have you back here sa outside world. Kami Sparkle team, so excited na makasama ko ulit sa mga hangout. So, ayun. Love you so much, Charlie.